Good. Affirmative. Go get mine.
Do you want this one?
Carson, watch. Come here. Wait a minute. Go get my AR-15 and shoot it.
No, let's go.
Hey, I brought my camera.
Watch. Watch, buddy. Wait a minute.
Hey, I brought a sunshade.
Get back. Get back.
In the car.
Watch this, buddy.
Oh, there's a whole bunch clear back there. Miss.
Shh.
How come he's missing?
You want me to come do it?
Nice one, Dad. Come on. Shoot it for already. Fix that. Come here, let me see it. He shot the little metal thing.